Welcome. In front of me is a Poco X4 Pro, and today I will show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, pull down your notification panel, navigate to settings, and in here we're looking for either storage, about a phone, or whatever it's hidden. It looks like it's in about phone. As you can see, there is our storage. So let's click on it. And below that we have our SD card, and in here we have format SD card option. Click on it. It pops up with a message that formatting your SD card will result in you losing all the data on it. So if there's anything on that card that you'd like to keep, do make a copy of it beforehand, because otherwise you will lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done so, or you simply don't want to, proceed by selecting Format SD card. This will begin the process, which only takes a couple seconds to finish up. Should be right about done. There we go. So click on done and you're finished. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.